Hello, welcome to today's video. We are back with another farmer. Today we are visiting a farm for sweet pepper. We're going to be learning how you can do this. The farmer is not growing in the open garden like we've been seeing in the past on this channel. Today we're going to be seeing how you can do this in a greenhouse. We're going to learn, we're going to experience how this works. I know in the past we've had pepper growing on this channel. We've seen different farmers how they do it. Now we're going to find out how do you do it when you are growing in a greenhouse. These peppers look so huge, so beautiful, so healthy. Now we're going to learn how can you do something of this nature. The farmer is going to be taking us through the process that he does to grow these sweet peppers here, and then we will be learning, we'll be understanding what it's like to grow in a greenhouse. Before we go, let me show you a bit. Look at this pepper. It's so big. Each pepper is heavy, as you can see. No weeds, and we are inside the greenhouse. The heat is modulated. It's not so hot. It's just enough for the crop.
Samsung, mbuyiseko sikulabe mukama wange. Wasuzuti. Mukama wange wa. Sa. We are here. This is what we call Chigozi Fresh Farm. Chigozi Fresh Farm. Here we have 5 greenhouses. Five greenhouses, and for each greenhouse you see it is a garden. Yes, for each farm you see it is a garden and a hell of work.
Okay.
Yes, so here we majorly do sweet peppers, bell peppers, others call them capsicums. Capsicums. It is very, very, very important to specialize. Yeah, because people who benefit out of farming specialize. If you seek Akira, he will only do Bikajo, sugar canes. He won't do cassava, what's you what. Because what the market wants is volume and quantity and quality. So if you can provide volume and quality, good to go. Not just a little bit of everything. Yes, there you will not get the better of your energy and investment. So these ones are empty for now, the first 3, because yeah, we are going to plant them I think in 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yes, we are going to plant them in 2 weeks. So we can enter one. Okay. And maybe you ask all your questions from there.
All right.
Yes.
No problem.
Let us start with this. He's our manager here.
Manager?
Yes.
Manager.
Sam.
Manager Sam.
Oliya mchala we.
Okay.
Sam, wabi wadamazi? Obi wadamazi? China kosi tugenda binoga. China amazzi. China kwanjaga tugendera it is okay now. It is okay. Maybe nebintu bigejja mazzi. Bizitowa mazzi go biwanga binywa byonga biyongerako kilo.
Sweet pepper not good.
Aha, natandikira mu green. So we can have a walk. You can take that route.
This looks so nice. This is normally how they are.
Yes, they turn from green. They are first green, like you see this here. Then here you see it is starting to change color. It is starting to change color. It is starting to change color, and ultimately it turns into either red or yellow. Yes.
So either color. So this one is ready.
This is ready.
And the red ones.
Yes, those that want to have them for export normally take it at this stage. Yes,
so it's completely tanned.
Yes.
Okay.
Nakasero market is our biggest market. Actually, Nakasero feeds East Africa. Yes, because Sudan, Italy, Rwanda.
Even some Sudanese, they come and shop at Nakasero.
Sudan, Nakasero feeds Sudan and Congo. It is only Kenya that we do not feed,
because
and maybe Tanzania, yes. But Burundi, Congo, Rwanda, Nakasero. Yes. So when you take to Nakasero, you've supplied all over. Actually, exporters to Europe as well. Yes, camp there. Camp there.
What inspired you? No gamba, let me do sweet pepper instead.
Yes, the inspiration came from, you see, originally I'm a solar person. We do solar installations for people. So you go, the client takes you to their site or farm, and you see what they do. You see a greenhouse, you get so amazed. You try to enter there, but it's not easy to enter people's farms, most especially greenhouses.